Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dhanda. Everyone wants to crush it in the market. They chase hype, make emotional decisions, and end up losing more often than winning. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 key strategies to get ahead in the market and dominate in 2025. So, if you're ready to level up your investing game, buckle up and let's get started. The first step to beating the market is to understand the market. Too many people jump into investing without really knowing what they're doing. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. There are tons of resources available. The market is constantly changing, so you need to stay ahead of the curve. The financial news is designed to keep you glued to the screen, not to make you a better investor. It's all about sensationalism and hype, which can lead to emotional decisions and bad investments. Instead of blindly following the herd, focus on your own research and due diligence. Make calculated decisions based on logic, not emotion. One of the hardest things for new investors is to not sell too early. They see a little bit of profit and want to cash out, afraid of losing their gains. But the real money is made by letting your winners run. Compounding is your best friend in investing. And the longer you hold on to a winning stock, the more potential it has to grow. Invest in companies with a serious competitive advantage. Think about companies like Apple, Amazon, or Google. They're industry leaders for a reason. These companies can weather economic storms and continue to grow over the long term. Focus on companies with a proven track record of success and a durable competitive advantage. Track every move. Keep a detailed record of every trade you make. The entry price, the exit price, your thought process behind the trade. This allows you to see what's working and what's not. You can analyze your past trades, identify patterns, and learn from your mistakes. Tracking your investments is the key to making smarter decisions over time. Master your patience. In the world of investing, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. The biggest mistake you can make is to get impatient and start chasing every hot stock tip or trend. Stick to your strategy, ignore the noise, and let the market come to you. The best investors are patient, disciplined, and able to control their emotions. Control your fear and greed. Fear and greed can destroy your investment portfolio. Emotional decisions are rarely good decisions, especially when it comes to investing. Have a plan and stick to it. Don't let your emotions dictate your investment decisions. Focus on the fundamentals, trust your research, and make rational, calculated decisions. So there you have it, the 7 proven strategies to help you crush it in the market. It's about having a solid strategy, doing your research, and staying disciplined. Follow these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Let's make 2025 your year of financial success. Start making smarter decisions today.